Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puff. We bring you the good stuff. All right, today I have an opportunity to do it at home. I have purchased a hot pot from Amazon, and this thing is so great. All right, I used some chicken stock and beef stock put in the middle, and I have some beef romaine noodles and chicken romaine noodles that's going to go into the pot. Right now they should be going in now. We have some thinly sliced pork tenderloin. We have some baby back ribs. I have steak done in two different ways, one with soy sauce and the other one I can't with a spicy sauce, sweet spicy sauce. And you got buffalo chicken breasts, and what else? We have zucchini, we have sausages, we have shrimp, we have mushrooms, we got butter, we have corn, we got broccoli, and we got meatballs. All right, I know I forgot something, but there's chicken breast done in two different ways, okay? And basically that's about it, but this is how it works. You take a little bit of butter. This thing is so cool. You take a little bit of butter. Put the, oh, you know what? Did I turn it on? Yes, it's on. And let that butter melt down. This is so cool. I'm gonna do this. All right. Got the butter down. And now you take, here's a nice piece of pork, thinly sliced. When you go to these hot pots, the meat is cut sliced thin. Cut very thin. All right, and I got some shrimp right here. All right, and you just let it cook. Matter of fact, I want some onions here. There's some onions. Probably need a little bit more butter here. There we go. We're looking good. And it doesn't take long to cook it. This thing gets really super hot. Okay. Right now she's starting to boil here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the packs of romaine noodles and just, oh, dang it. That's a blooper right there. It had a seasoned packet in it. And put it in. And now I had a chicken, which I'm looking for the chicken. Here's the chicken over here.